I am near Masada now, and Masada is like a huge rock over there, and that was where the last resistance was of the Jewish rebellion against the Roman Empire after Jerusalem was destroyed. And it's like a mountain fortification. You're not allowed to fly there, but as you can see, it's very big. So when I'm just outside the area where you cannot fly, I can launch the drone and go up a little bit, and then I can still film it from there. So at least I have something like a shot. It's better than nothing. I need to walk into the desert a little bit to just get outside the no-fly zone. I'm just walking into the desert and it starts to rain. So I had to abort the mission. There's a little bit of a rainbow here. But look at the sky. It stopped raining for now, but I think there's gonna come a lot more. Okay, let's just do another attempt, okay? It's raining again. It's raining again, guys. Wow. I think, oh no, I gotta go back. There's a lot of rain coming. Look at that in the distance. I don't want that coming my way. I'm gonna be soaking wet. It's too bad. Wow, guys. I cannot film it like this. Alright, so I think this is going to take a while. I'm not going to wait for it. So Peter, not your average guy on the never mind your own, not never mind your drone, but never mind your own YouTube channel. I have a bad problem with my tooth, so I don't have a lot of energy, but I still want to do a couple of things. I am near Masada. You can see the Roman built ramp over there, and it's not allowed to fly there, but as you can see over here on my telephone, that this is Masada, and I am just outside the area where you cannot fly. So I am allowed to fly here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to launch a drone. I'm going to shoot into that direction, and what I can do, I can fly a little bit in that direction.
Take off. The home area has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So Masada is over there. It is really small, but I can crop a little bit. I'm gonna fly away into that direction, so I don't have that much noise. So there was a 7-year war between the Jews and the Romans from like 67, 68 till 73. And in the year 70 the Romans destroyed Jerusalem, and then in 73 or 74, something like this, the last Jewish resistance was here in this mountain area. And it's very difficult to take it. So what the Romans did, it took them months, and they built this ramp. They just put rubbish and rubbish and rubbish into the valley over there, and they worked all their way up until they were here, and then they could enter the area. From there the stories differ a little bit. Some say the Romans killed them all, and some say the Jews committed suicide. As soon as the Romans got over the walls, they only found dead people, because they knew that they would not be able to win from the Romans once they were in. And that's how the Roman-Jewish war ended, and also how the nation of Israel ended. And it took like until 1948 before the Jews got a nation again. So this is a historical site. Here's one of the catapults that they used for the siege. Probably it's a replica, but anyways. Look, man, what a tremendous effort this was. This was a valley like this, and then they put all this rubble here. No wonder it took them months. And it's very steep. It doesn't look like that from a distance, but it's incredible, man. To what great lengths they go to kill people. That's what I mean. From here you can see the Roman camp, the ruins. You see that? This looks like a position for a catapult. I don't know if it was like that, but from here it seems like that. And there's a wall running around here to prevent people to sneak out. You can see that wall over there too. All the way up there. And over here it's very hot. From here you can also see the ruins of a Roman camp, and you can see the ruins of a wall that was around Masada. And I think there's one more over there.
And the city. Hero, the biggest complex of analysis in the world.
I think this is where they kept water, because like a cistern, because you can see the smooth walls. It seems like they plastered it, you see? So that's where they kept water. Imagine how much water can be in here. You can last for ages if this one is full. Wow. You can find another Roman camp out there. So there must have been at least 3. And a wall. Well, alright, this is the best we can get, guys. Unfortunately. What I can do is fly into that direction. Because I do think the landscape is just out of the ordinary. I mean, it's desert, but kind of like it. See this? I did not even pay attention to the antennas, and I'm having 3 kilometers without a problem sitting in my car. Remote control signal weak. So now I'm going to stand up and it's alright again. I'm getting 4 kilometers without a problem.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to go home.
Alrighty, well guys, I like these long range flights because you can see so much of the landscape very quickly. I hope you like it too. Give the video a thumbs up. See you on the next one. Bye.